Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm back with another product review, but this time it's a very interesting one because this time I will be testing an Android operating system based CarPlay adapter. Unlike the ones that I've been testing in the past, this one has a full Android operating system built in. I will be testing this one on my new Land Cruiser today. Let's start off by unboxing this device first. It comes in a very secured packaging, so it doesn't get damaged during shipping. There's the device. Very stylish, sleek, very thin, I must say. Yeah, very small. That's that. What else do we have in the box? Alright, so we've got the connecting cable. It looks like a very nice premium one. It's not one of those cheap ones. And the good thing is it comes with USB-A and USB-C both connectors. Most of the European cars these days have a USB-C connector. So it's good that we have both. Now let's start off by connecting this device to my car. I will plug in the USB connector. See, it takes only about 25 to 30 seconds to start. Now you can see this device comes with a full Android operating system, just like we have it in our tablets or phones. It has all the standard Android apps, so I will not take you through everything, but what I will talk about are the 10 things that I love about this device. The first and the most important for me is that unlike other CarPlay devices, this device has a built-in Android 9.0 operating system. It has all the standard apps pre-installed like YouTube, Waze, Netflix, Spotify, VLC. It also has the Play Store app, so you can actually go and download any app you want. This is definitely the best thing about this device. The second one is the size. This is definitely the world's smallest and slimmest Android-based CarPlay adapter. This will definitely not clutter up your space. In fact, the best thing is to stick it somewhere in your car using a double-sided tape, like I've done it in my car. Number 3 is that this device is connected to all the systems in the car, like the control buttons on the screen, the stereo system, and it also has voice controls enabled like Siri and Bixby. Number 4, it has multiple internet connectivity options. It even has a slot for a SIM card that enables 4G data connection. It can be connected with your Wi-Fi or mobile personal hotspot, so your family can enjoy YouTube or Netflix while you drive. Let's move on to number 5. This device comes with 64 GB of internal memory. Plus, it's got the SD card slot that allows you to add up to 128 GB of space. Unbelievable. You can store tons of movies and music, and you can also download lots and lots of apps in this ApplePie mini device. Number 6. This device is lightning fast. It takes only about 30 seconds to start when you switch on your car. And that is because it has the Qualcomm 8-core super fast processor. 7th, this device also has the standard CarPlay function. For those who don't want to use the Android interface, they can always go to the standard CarPlay, and this is available for both iPhone as well as for Android mobiles. Number 8 is a very nice one. This device has an amazing feature of split screen. So you can have two apps open side by side. For instance, you can have YouTube open, and at the same time you can also open Waze for navigation. Simply amazing. Now the ninth one is that on the left of the screen here, you can find shortcuts to the recently used or currently open apps. And trust me, this is a very handy feature. And the last one on my list is that when you switch on your car, the Android interface instantly appears on the screen without you pressing any button. Now this is important because I know some other devices where you actually have to click one or two buttons to activate the Android system. That's it, guys. I have tested quite a few devices, but this ApplePie mini device is definitely one of the best devices in the market today. If you want to buy this device, check out the links in the description of this video or just drop me a message. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification button